How to activate Zion's bank debit card. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how to activate Zion's bank debit card. So there are actually different ways through which you can activate a Zion's bank debit card. If you are using phone, which is the fastest method, you can just call the activation number printed on the sticker attached to your new card, usually a toll-free number, and follow the automated prompts such as entering your card number, last four of SSN, and that is social security number and security info. Once confirmed, your card is ready to use. And similarly, you can also request for your debit card online if you haven't already by simply heading over to the Zion's Bank official website and clicking on this link over here under this card section. And similarly, sometimes your card can be activated by making your first purchase with your PIN at a retail store. This only works if your card packet or instructions mention it, and if you can't activate it via phone or ATM, just call the Zion's Bank customer service and they can help activate or reset your PIN by describing your issue to them directly. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.